Join me as I dive deep into the latest updates on NOx stock and try to figure out what's really going on right now. NOx stock has been making waves in the current market landscape, and for good reason. As a key player in its industry, its performance can have a ripple effect on the entire market. Investors and analysts alike have been keeping a close eye on NOx stock, and today we're going to explore what's happening with it. One of the main challenges NOx stock is facing right now is market volatility. With the recent fluctuations in the market, investors are getting a little nervous. There's also concerns about the company's financial health and whether it's poised for long-term growth. These concerns are not uncommon, especially in today's fast-paced market environment. The company's latest financial reports have been a mixed bag, with some analysts expressing concerns about its revenue growth. Market trends have also been shifting, with some investors jumping ship to other, more promising opportunities. And then there's the news events. A recent announcement from a major competitor has raised some eyebrows and sparked debate about NOx stock's future prospects. Digging deeper into these financial reports, we see that NOx stock has been struggling to maintain its momentum. The numbers just aren't adding up, and investors are starting to get a little worried. A closer look at market trends reveals that NOx stock has been losing ground to its competitors. This might be a sign that the company needs to rethink its strategy. Recent news events have only added fuel to the fire. The competitor's announcement has sent shockwaves through the industry, and NOx stock is no exception. But what does this really mean for the company's future? That's what we're trying to figure out. So here's the critical insight: NOx stock's future prospects hinge on its ability to adapt to changing market trends. If the company can manage to stay ahead of the curve and innovate, there's still a chance for it to turn things around. But it won't be easy. The competition is fierce, and investors are getting impatient. The turning point for NOx stock is likely to be its next financial report. If the company can show some real growth and momentum, it might just be enough to restore investor confidence. But if it fails to deliver, things could get ugly. Investors are watching closely, and the stakes are high. In terms of what this means for potential investors, it's clear that NOx stock is a high-risk, high-reward play. If you're thinking of getting in, be prepared for a wild ride. But if you're already invested, don't panic just yet. There's still a chance for things to turn around. To sum it all up, NOx stock is at a crossroads, and its future is far from certain. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be an interesting ride. So what do you think about NOx stock? Are you bullish or bearish? Let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos for more stock market insights and analysis. Thanks for watching.